Have you seen a fabric that uses very less water during the production? Yes. Our PP spun-bond non-woven fabrics produced is made in eco-friendly way with almost zero water consumption and energy from renewable resources of solar and wind power. Our world-class manufacturing facility is located at just 10 km Madurai Airport and just 140 km from Tuticorin Seaport with good connectivity to international markets. Started in 2012 with a vision to be the leader in manufacturing of eco-friendly non-woven fabrics and offering eco-friendly solutions for a sustainable environment. Our mission is to offer customers the best possible eco-friendly solution by the way of our extra mile services, constant upgradation of technology and customer value creation has made us reach greater heights in the non-woven industry with our capacity of 10,800 metric tons per annum and still adding new capacities year on year. We believe in customers' growth is our growth. We at Jayashree Spun ensure 100% customer satisfaction. Our factory and process is accredited with ISO 9001-2015 and OKIO-TEX certification, the highest standard in the industry. Quality raw materials are used to ensure the highest level of quality in the end fabrics. Our factory adheres strictly to all COVID protection protocols of social distancing, wearing masks, sanitization in regular intervals and have achieved 100% vaccination. We offer our eco-friendly product solutions to medical textiles for the manufacture of face masks, PPE kits, Bauffant caps, surgeon gowns, isolation gowns, bedspreads and curtains. Soft and absorbent fabrics in hygiene industry for the manufacture of diapers and sanitary napkins. Ultraviolet resistant agriculture application of crop protection covers, fruit covers, nursery grow bags, mulching and weed mats. Mattress industry for the pocket spring applications and liners. Packaging of rice, pulses and other food grains. We serve our customers with our customer-centric approach and our extra mile services to ensure customer satisfaction from booking the goods to the delivery of goods. Our extra mile services are as follows. Dedicated customer relationship executives to take care of their fabric solutions. 100% quality fabrics with industry-specific fabric standards. Committed delivery of goods with advanced planning and execution in production. Dedicated logistics support with specially designed vehicles for safe delivery and maximum loading capacity. Customized sizes and colors as per customer needs. Factory stuffing for export supplies with photo report of stuffing. R&D for new applications from sample development to marketing. Our robust infrastructure has been catering to our customers based in entire South India and exports to our customers in 26 countries spread across the globe. Jayashree Spun-Bond, www.jayashreespunbond.com. Inquiry at jayashreespunbond.com.